everyone and welcome back to Ticker TV. This is Shreya and today we'll go through Forex segment in Market View Terminal. As we all know that Forex market is the largest and most liquid asset markets in the world. Market View Terminal enables you to get entire market data related to Forex at single place. So let's just quickly walk in through all the features. So this is the drop down list. First is Forex report. In this, you will find the spot rates, forward rates for currency pairs. Also, if you go in USD INR COM, you will get the source, that is the rates which banks and other institutes are quoting. So you can just have a look. Then we got the world currency forwards. It basically displays the currency forwards for different currencies against USD in swap points. Moving on to world currencies in INR, so it basically displays the cross rates for different currencies against INR. You will find the bid price, ask price, current price, net change, percentage change, and also high and low. Then we got the market report. So it basically displays information regarding currency futures and spread contracts traded on domestic currency exchange. You'll also find the RBI reference rate and spot rate for all listed currencies. Also, you'll get the bid price, bid quantity, ask price, ask quantity, LTP, ATP, open interest, number of contracts traded, and also value of contracts traded. Now moving on to the most important feature in Forex, that is forward rate calculator. Forward rate calculator basically enables you to calculate forward rates for single currency pair. You just have to select the broken date. For example, now I'll select 17th of June. So here you'll get your data. Also, you can select any currency name from this drop down list and you'll get the month end rates as well as month wise rates. We also got the forward rate calculator historical. So it provides a snapshot for historical dates selected. For example, I have taken 6th of April. Moving on to FX matrix. It displays spot rates for major currencies in a matrix format. Moving on to FEDI report. So in FEDI report, you will get the average at the money volatility in percentage. Also, you'll get the FEDI fixing rates for these currencies. And also, if you want to measure and control the level of risk exposure, we have the VAR rates for 1 month, 3 month and 6 month. Also, you got the USD INR spot rates. Moving on to Forex revaluation rates. So, Forex revaluation rate refers to that rates that are commonly used to determine the performance of currencies. Moving on to pivot point, it basically displays the resistance and support based on selected formulas, as you can see. Then we got the research report. So research reports related to Forex market filed by reputed brokerage houses are available. Moving on to market statistics. So we got the Forex daily market statistics. Here you'll find the expiry, open high, low close, previous close, settlement price, trades, contracts traded, value, OI. Apart from this, you'll get the MyFair rates. So this is the customized workspace that I have created. You can customize your workspace as per your own requirement. You can just right click to any of the symbol and you'll find charts, news, and also export this data to Excel. So as we have seen that Market View Terminal has got user-friendly features that readily displays the data. So these are just few features that I have highlighted. If you want to explore other features, then do visit our website tickermarket.com. Thank you for watching.